Hello? Hello? Last chance.
Hi, can I speak to Chuck Miller, please?
This is he.
This is Brittany Ray. I'm calling in regards to your 2006 Chevrolet Cobalt. Do you still own that vehicle?
Why?
I'm calling to inform you that your factory warranty has expired, but I have options for you on keeping protection on your vehicle with an extended warranty. I'm going to go over those options with you right now.
Okay, let me hear them.
Okay, approximately how many miles do you have on your vehicle?
About 400,000.
400. Okay, sir, I'm sorry. Unfortunately, we cannot cover that vehicle with that many miles. Thank you so much.